How to delete your Pinterest account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Pinterest account. For that, you need to open your Pinterest app first. Then click on profile icon below and click on settings icon at the top right corner. Click on settings and click on the second option that says account management. Scroll down and you will see delete your data and account option. Click on it. And it says closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. If you have no problem with that, you can click on continue here. First, you need to select one of these regions while you are leaving Pinterest. After selecting it, click on send email. Wait for the email. Check your email. Go to the email that is sent to you. Scroll down and you will see delete account option. Click on yes delete option. You can see you have deleted your Pinterest account. Your account will be deleted after 14 days. If you change your mind and want to log into your Pinterest account again, log in with your email address or password or continue with Google and a link will be sent to your mail to reactivate your account. So this is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.